everyone, what's up? Welcome to Buffalo. We're all going in this together. I've never been in this casino, so we're just gonna walk around and pretty much say what comes to mind. Yeah,
I've been in here.
Hey, after you and Colin came and wrote the poster on it.
Car?
Looks like they had some tire issues.
Oh yeah. The valet is over there.
Oh, fancy.
A lot more fancier than I thought. Does not sound good.
No.
So the theme in here is kind of like forest minor town. So here's registration. Over there's the room entrance and stuff. And then they got the Primm Railroad Hotel thing.
It smells really good. It smells like old hotel.
So over here's the sports book. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would have been though.
It's a William Hill.
There's the bar.
Sports bar. A little shop. That's called the General Store.
There's the Desert Arena. What's that?
Box office and the Oak Tree Tower rooms.
Huh. You wanna go look?
Yeah, let's
Okay. Wonder if we can go see.
coming soon. Those are all past dates. All besides the August 18th.
Sounds like somebody's going right now.
That's the radio.
It is?
Here's the arena entrance. Tina. Here, Colin, let me call someone. This is like the phone we had when I was a kid. Like it looks exactly like it, and the cord is super long.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Can I help you?
I would like a ticket.
Sorry, doors are closed. The fire room. There's a little
There's the bar.
Does it look like there's? No, you don't go in this circle right here. Don't go.
You know what? No. That's kind of cool. They have like a water tower. Let's go.
Come on. What is it?
No.
Shut. Security's over there.
To the left.
Yeah.
Yeah. I saw it.
Rides.
Right.
Do they still let us?
They kind of have like a minecart type of thing over there. They even got a little guy.
Slot World. Oh, there's some slots up in here.
Yeah, not too many. There's the Pioneer Gym, or just fitness center, but
I like the theme. Pioneer Gym.
of course, at McDonald's.
I bet those lights on that McDonald's sign are older than you, Colin. You're pretty old. Oh, they have Penny Keno.
Sounds like real burgers.
Oh, yeah.
Tour bus exit. Tour bus check-in. Ant-Man and the Wasp. Is it open? I know. And that is where...
So you go see the movie. Ant-Man and the Wasp. The tour bus is closed.
Ooh, that does not smell good in here.
Oh my gosh, that smells really bad.
That's McDonald's for you.
No, that does not even smell like McDonald's.
That is McDonald's. So this is the old water ride, which looks like they have shut down completely, which used to be an old shooter game, and you would have little guns connected to the raft. The water would push you, you would try to shoot all the things.
Aww,
and stuff.
Cool. Did you play that?
No, when we did it, that part was completely busted.
What's that?
Yeah, but I mean, if they took away the target things, I feel like it would look a lot better.
Yeah, right?
It's like, wow, look how realistic this looks. And then you are now entering kid-friendly zone. Alcoholic beverages must stay in the casino. Ding, 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 ding.
I don't want to go down there.
Oh, Pony Express. Oh, we in Knott's Berry Farm right now. So this is the arcade. Is it gold in there? Look.
Mouse.
Really? Wait, what's in there?
I don't know.
Open it.
I
Let's
thought
see.
it had eyes.
What's on this side though? Everybody usually goes to the Pony Express, but I'm like, let's go look at this part. Oh, this is where the roller coaster part is. No, this is for this frog thing. If anybody remembers these as a kid, you pretty much just got whiplash as it goes up and down, up and down. Here's the buffalo things.
This is all the attractions.
Pretty much. And the Max Flight Simulator. Which, that I did want to do when they were here, but it had actually a really long line. Oh, roller coaster is closed. That sucks.
Aww.
The old log ride, there's still water in there. What'd you do if that guy just looked up and said, hello?
I'd probably pee my pants. This is like kind of depressing in here, huh? There's like no one around barely.
I mean,
nothing's going on. Like the coaster's not going anymore.
well, the coaster goes. It just has specific times. The log fume.
Well, that's what that log ride was.
That scared me.
They have it locked.
I know, no crap. Creeps me out in here. Hello. You must be this tall to ride this attraction. There's little logs you would ride in. And all that.
It's kind of sad in here.
Is it bad? I want to go look and see what those cameras have on them. See on the like thing over there? Can I go look?
No, it's probably around the log ride. Yeah, that's what.
Plus, we're already in a spot we're not supposed to be.
Where?
Yeah?
Why?
This ride's closed.
So we were just looking over there.
Not supposed to be in there, Browning. No, but we can go look and see the roller coaster entrance. Which you just pretty much... Here's where the Desperado... Like, it looks like it might be like completely shut down.
I think it's not.
Like... That freaked me out.
Alright, let's go. Let's go this way.
This is open from 10 p.m. to 10 p.m. Wow. No.
See the cashier at the general store. This is a pretty big arcade.
Wow, arcade. That's a big Terminator. Space Invader.
That's freaking cool Space Invaders, I'm not even gonna lie.
So, guys, this is pretty much the arcade. Shut up, whack-a-mole. And yeah, this is it.
Yeah.
And all these things are making noises. I want to see how what these collectible coins are actually. Oh damn.
1926.
Those aren't too bad. I wonder if they're real. Probably not. That's where you'd get the Desperado tickets and gear. Ooh.
Ooh, yoga. Cash only. Ooh.
That's not too bad.
You get the express?
Watch out, sometimes they talk. A bad boy. Pew! Pew!
Yeah.
Gotta shoot that bottle.
This was the Snack Shack, always hot, always fresh.
I feel like it'd be so cool but creepy to walk through there.
Really like 40 people in here?
At the least.
You think there's more than 40?
Yeah. So you also can get a player card for the Players Club that they have out here. This is called the Tree Bar. I don't know why they named it that, but that's the reason.
Alright, let's walk by table games.
They got table games. This is table.
Alright.
Here's craps.
Table games, $5 minimum.
Here's
Alright, let's go check out the buffet.
see what it's
Miss
like.
Ashley's buffet. Gosh, at least there's no line. Go do a food review.
Okay. So I'm just gonna do one thing. I wonder if this still works.
Ooh, it stays in here.
That still works. It works. I didn't know it would.
Turn off Coke things.
Yeah.
Probably
Man.
the worst buffet we've ever been to.
Yeah. You gotta give them props. I mean, they did the dishes before they left.
Come on, it smells funky.
And why does it look like boxes are holding up the ceiling?
It's supposed to look cool.
I don't know if that looks cool. It's just kind of scary.
Oh, Denny's is open?
It's well, we can go look at it. Well, this is the hot game zone. This is where the top dollar slots are.
High limit. Ooh, they're $1.
I was
I
correct.
like that top dollar game.
That's cool. Here's Denny's. That's pretty much it. Restrooms. Trying to do a pan, but then you walk.
Closed. I was so excited to ride it. How long has the coaster been closed?
It's open only on the weekend.
It's only open on the weekends?
Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday.
Okay. Thank you.
Tuesday, Wednesday,
Of course, we came the wrong day. Thank you.
For a
You're
month.
really right. They are busier on the weekend.
It's getting hot here, so hot, and I am free. The noise of a really well working machine. Why is there water on top of the metal?
Don't. You're freaking me out.
There is, look.
Okay, just stop.
A lot louder. $2 for a Pepsi.
I like how like usually there's like a nice like window right there and there's nothing.
I think there used to be, but then they're like, you know what?
We're gonna add on. So this is the nice tower. This is called the Annie Oakley Tower.
And it also reminds me of Binions.
It does.
Hot, moist. Some lights have different types of colors on them. It's the exact same. Hey, let's go. Wow, they got a pool. I didn't know that.
Oh. This place creeps me.
We gotta go.
And I know it's like an open casino, but it's super creepy up here. I wonder if they even rent this floor out.
Just watch out. Sometimes the floors, they don't run out. They don't pay attention to the ground. And you'll fall
your
through.
mouth.
You'll
Wait,
fall.
that's the end. I'm not going upstairs. What was
I don't know. All I know is I have to run faster than you.
that? Colin. Someone's following me.
What'd you do? Hey, look. This one smells like McDonald's.
feel like they could film like a scary movie here.
Maybe. That's a big old pool.
Well, why do they have a gate around it like that? That is not a big pool at all, Tom. He said that was a big old pool.
That is a big old pool.
Guess how many rooms they have?
Like 552.
1,240.
That's a lot.
That is a lot of rooms.
No bathing.
I thought I read it. I thought it was like space for bathing. Lots, Colin. How old do you think it is?
I don't know.
Yes. It's older than you.
21.
24.
It's not that old. Peekaboo, you didn't expect me to be there, did ya? So here's Buffalo Bills. Yeah, they don't lock. Here it is, the old monorail. So, it's the tailor, general store, home cooking, and all this stuff. Oh, I think there was other stuff on the other side. Dance, outfitters, and then law office. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of Buffalo Bills. Sorry there wasn't a lot to see. It's kind of a small area that they have. It's really just, I think they have the roller coaster going for them. But if you like the video, please like. If you want to tell us where we should go next, comment and subscribe so you get future videos. And also press that little bell icon so you get notified every single time we do a video. Hope you enjoyed the video of Buffalo Bills. Have a good night, Vegas.
Peace out. Huge shout out to Randy S. Kessler. Thank you. Have a great day. Night. I learned not to come to Buffalo Bills during the week because there's no restaurants and I'm really hungry.
There is restaurants, you just don't like them.
I just don't want to go to Denny's or McDonald's.
Hey guys, welcome to Buffalo Bills. I'm the guy that's gonna shoot you on the log ride. Yeah.